We're in the footwell now, and as you can see, if you look behind the accelerator pedal, this thing slips onto your existing accelerator pedal. So all you got to do is get it in there and slip it on and slide it down like that, and it's fitted on. That thing's not going anywhere, it's not coming off. So accelerator's done, and then in order to do your brake, you actually need to take your existing brake pedal cover off, and the easiest way to do that is to do it from the top, because that's how they actually get the original one on. And we just slip it off like that. We take the one that they've given us here. Now you'll see behind the brake pedal they actually give you this lip. That's what you got to use in order to slot it on. You're going to have to pull it once you get it to the end, and it's not easy to get on. This is the most difficult one of the lot actually, and yeah, you just got to use a lot of brute force and try and get these lips over with your finger from behind, and then pull on that tab that they provide you at the end. You got to pull that tab and get it over the edge like that. I've just got this one corner to do, and I think, yep, it's on now. So that is also not going anywhere. So that is done, and now all we have to do is the footrest. This is our footrest, and this is going to go down here. So just brush this clean with your hands. I mean, they put 3M tape on the back here. I must be honest, I don't have much faith in this 3M tape of theirs. So I'm going to just make sure that the rubber is all pressed through, that it's very flat at the back, and let's take this 3M tape off and see if it sticks. If it doesn't stick, I actually have Velcro that will work. It's stick-on Velcro, so it will stick to this thing. And that Velcro that I've got, it's got really crazy glue at the back, so it will stick to this rubber like nothing you've ever seen before. And so if this double-sided tape isn't going to do the trick, and what I'm doing is I'm actually just wedging it underneath the plastic right there. It seems to be doing the trick, and I've taken the carpet out, so once I put the carpet back, it's just going to cover the bottom over here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But as you can see, it's literally a 5-minute job, easy peasy. That looks pretty cool. And these things, for the price, I must say, really not bad. If you buy the genuine Mazda ones, going to cost you quite a bit of money, and these I've got on AliExpress, real cheap. I'll put a link in the description below.